morning guys, day 1 of week 3 in Sarah's days sorted to shred it. I'm working out inside this morning because it is cold and rainy outside, which is really disappointing because I decided this week that I want to go for a walk every day. So hopefully when I finish my workout it's not raining. If it is, I might just wait it out and see if it stops eventually, and then I will go whenever it stops raining. But I'm about to do. My skin is finally starting to clear up a little bit as well. I don't know if you've watched week 1. I mean, I've still got a little bit of a breakout here, but it's getting better slowly. Yeah, so today we're doing a sweaty shredder. We've got some jump squats, bicycle jump lunges, squat hold, mountain climbers, reverse lunge, and plank. Also, a little story time. Yesterday, let me sit down. So we've been getting HelloFresh every week, for the past few weeks. And yesterday, before I was going on my walk, I went to cut up the box, the big box that it all comes in, so that I could put it in the garbage bin outside, and I was using a pair of scissors, and I had the scissors open and I sliced down it, my finger slipped and I sliced my finger. I nearly fainted. I didn't even look at it. I didn't even know if I cut my finger or not. I felt it, I squeezed it really, really tight, and I ran into the bathroom and I was running it under water. Because if I see blood, or like if I hurt myself, I don't know, I literally can't help it. I try so hard to not be dramatic, but I don't know, and I hate it. It's like the worst feeling in the world. And I always convince myself that it's not going to happen. I'm like, I'm fine, I haven't seen any blood, I'm fine. Mum came in to have a look at it and put a band-aid on it, but even though I didn't see the cut and I didn't see any blood, I still literally nearly passed out. I was like sweating, I went white. It was a fun time. I'm gonna get started with the workout. Hopefully my camera doesn't die because it looks like it's about
got a quick hand. You look around the room, he won't tell you his plans. Got a rolled cigarette hanging out his mouth. He's a cowboy cat. Yeah, from the 6-shooter gun. In his dad's closet, or in a box of fun things I don't even know why. But he's coming for you, yeah, he's coming for you.
Good morning guys. So it is actually 2 days later now. I didn't end up filming anything yesterday. All I did was go for a walk in the morning, and then I studied for the whole day, so there wasn't really anything interesting to film. But today I'm doing a toning power workout, and I also wanted to show you my outfit for today because I haven't worn this together as a set yet, but I think it looks really cute. The top is from Cotton On Body, and the pants are from Rockwear. But I've never worn these together, and I think they look cute because they both have the white in them. I'm talking quiet again because everyone's still asleep. I do my toning power workout, except I'm gonna do it a little bit differently to what the ebook says, because I find that sometimes the toning powers go for a little bit too long, and I feel like the rests in between are too long, and I kind of just want to get the workout done a little bit quicker. So instead of having the 45-second rest and then the minute rest in between the circuits and exercises, I'm still using the Sarah's Day, but instead of just using the toning power timer, I just go into the custom timer, and then I do 3 circuits because that's how many circuits there are. And at rest in between each circuit, I'm just going to do 30 seconds, rounds. There's 4 rounds in each circuit, and then I'm just going to do a 10-second rest between each round. And then exercises, there's 2, and she doesn't have any rests in between the exercises. So that way I don't have to do like the 45-second rest and the minute rest, because sometimes I feel like I don't need them, and I feel like I get a better workout if I don't do the rests. So that's what I'm going to do. Still doing the same amount of exercises and circuits and everything, just not as much rest time. So that's the timer that I'm going to use. I just edited week 2, and I realized I haven't really been filming a lot of what I'm eating. I've kind of just been filming my workouts, but I feel like if I film everything that I ate in the week plus the workouts, the videos will literally be like an hour long. So I'm not going to do that, but I do want to try and film a little bit more about what I am eating. But I thought I would share with you guys what I've been taking. My capsules. I've been taking these for just over a year, I think. But basically what they are, so we have a omega capsule, we have veggie capsule, we have a fruit capsule, and we have a berry capsule. I like to take 2 of each of those a day. Sometimes I will take a double dose, or I will take 3 of each a day, just depending on how I'm feeling. Usually when my skin is breaking out, I like to up the dose a little bit because I feel like it helps clear my skin a lot faster. But basically what these are fruits and veggies and berries that have been juiced and dried and then popped into the capsule. And then there's also the omegas, 3, 5, 6, 7 and 9, and it is all vegan omegas as well, so none of it comes from fish or anything. So it is pomegranate seed oil, raspberry seed oil, sea buckthorn, tomato seed oil, and safflower oil. And in the berries it is raspberry, bilberry, blueberry, cranberry, pomegranate, grape, blackcurrant, blackberry, elderberry, artichoke. And then in the fruits and the veggies one, there's a lot of different fruits and veggies, like broccoli and apple, and I think there's garlic in one of them. But basically a bunch of good stuff for you. So what these capsules do, basically they help bridge the gap. So they're not meant to be taken to replace your intake of fruits and veggies. It's supposed to help bridge the gap between what you're supposed to take and what you do take. The amount that's in these capsules you can't really get from food. I mean, you'd have to eat a lot of it. So then these capsules help bridge the gap. So I thought I would just share a little bit about what they do for you. The one main thing that I've noticed a huge difference in is my skin. That is one of the things that helped me clear my skin. I'll pop up a little picture of what my skin looked like a few months ago. It is breaking out a little bit right now, but I think it is mainly hormonal acne, and also when your body goes through a little bit of a detox, which is kind of what I'm doing now. It does break out, all of the toxins come out of your skin. So they help improve a lot of things. So like you get healthier, thicker hair, stronger nails, clearer skin. The berries obviously have a lot of antioxidants in them. They improve digestion, they help keep your body detox, lower cholesterol, healthier heart, energy, lower stress levels, boosted metabolism. The omegas help reduce stress, clearer vision, better memory. So basically with these capsules, they're not created to specifically improve all of those things. So basically the way that they work is just by target the aspects of your health that you are lacking or struggling. So for example, I don't know, a lot of energy, or if you already have a high metabolism, they're obviously not going to add on to that because your body already has that. They help increase the parts of your health that you don't have or that you need to improve. But yeah, I've been taking those for a long time. If you do want more information on the capsules and where you can get them from, then pop me a message on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram down below. And I will be happy to chat to you about them because they do come in a few different packs. I am currently on all of them because that is obviously the best benefit for you. I did start only on the fruit and veg capsules because that's all I could afford at the time. But yeah, pop me a message on Instagram if you want to know more about these because I would love to share more info with you because I think they are absolute lifesavers. Okay, I don't think I didn't vlog yesterday. I think the last time I vlogged was the day before, but it is 1 o'clock. I went for a really good run this morning, a really long one, longer than I normally do. I think I did like 6,000 steps and usually I do like 3 or 4, but now Mum and I are going grocery shopping. I'm leaving the house for the first time in 5 weeks, other than my runs and that other one time we went to Starbucks, but I didn't get out of the car. But we're going to Costco and we're also going to go to Starbucks, which is the only reason why I'm actually coming. Hi guys, so it's the next day now. I've been a really bad vlogger this week. I've got my shake. I've already drank half of it. But I've just been really slack with vlogging this week. I don't know why. But I did another run again this morning and I've had a shower. I'm ready for the day, kind of. I'm still in active wear. But I've really been enjoying my runs lately. Every morning when I wake up and lay in bed, I'm like, I really don't want to get up, I really don't want to go. But then once I get up and get ready and start my walk/run, I feel great. And then I'm so glad that I did it afterwards. But I'm having another little makeup free day today because my skin is still breaking out a little bit. It is starting to clear, so I'm just gonna give it a little break from some makeup and have a fresh bare face today. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this week's video here. I feel like I didn't vlog as much this week and I feel like I didn't do as many workouts. I don't know why. I completed all of the workouts in the ebook, but I feel like I did a lot more walking and running than actually working out. But before I go, I wanted to quickly share with you guys these little rose collagen gummies that I'm starting to take. So they are from the brand Unichi. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's spelled UNICHI. So basically they're little gummy bears. And they're supposed to promote collagen and stuff. So basically it gives you a collagen boost. The gummies contain natural rose petals and marine collagen, and they taste really good. And yeah, so I'm excited to try these out. I mean, I've already had some, but I'm excited to continue to take them and see what they do for my skin. I will link their website and Instagram and everything down below so you can check them out. But I'm feeling really good about this week. I feel like I'm slowly starting to see some changes in my body, especially my legs. I feel like my leg muscles tend to change pretty quickly, so I can definitely tell a difference. The outside of my legs feel like bigger and stronger, and I feel like the muscles are a little bit more prominent. And then my stomach, I feel like I've lost a little bit of fat from my stomach. I mean, I don't have a lot of fat to lose, but I do want to tone up and have a little bit more definition in my stomach, which is slowly happening. At first I was kind of like, I'm a little bit disappointed that I haven't seen a bigger change, but it's literally been like 3 weeks, so I just need to be a little bit more patient, keep working hard, and I will see the results that I want soon. So that's it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you are notified when I upload the next video in this series. I will link the previous episode down in the description, or episodes, because technically this is week 3. So I'll link episode 1 and 2 down below so you can go and watch those if you haven't already. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video.